really let me down, you know. And the roof is coming off.
I'm ready.
On this episode of Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage, we are continuing the build on
the F30 drift car. We have done loads of wiring since last time. We have got it running, we've done some coding, sorted out the immobiliser, and it is all running, but not anymore, as we have stripped the interior, ready for a full cage. What make was it?
full cage. I have no idea.
AST, there we go, it says on the box.
In this episode, we are fitting a roll cage and the roof is coming off. So thank you.
Purchased the carbon roof for it, and it's not just the roof. Some clown has cut the whole roof off and given it to us, so somehow I have to unglue the carbon roof without damaging it to glue it back on.
Step one, remove doors. That's going to make our life a lot easier. Then we'll remove the roof. That's actually how we did the wiring. Right, the way that this roof is attached to this car, because this roof is coming off, there's spot welds all the way round. See that there? All the way round the roof. They will need drilling out, and then we'll go from there. I think maybe there's glue on the inside as well. Yeah, there's glue on the inside, so we'll heat that up with a heat gun and see if we can't set anything alight. Moment of truth. Knock that up into that gap there, and then you beat it sideways, and hopefully that will de-skin nicely. Love it when a plan comes together. That's the boy, isn't it?
I don't know what he's been fucking around. Undo the 4 bolts and the roof comes off. The roof fall off.
No, don't ruin stuff.
Thank you very much.
Now the roof's off. That gives us all of the room to start fitting the roll cage. As per MSA Blue Book, roll cage is of a certain thickness, certain gauge steel. Where the cage attaches to the car, it has to have little plates at the bottom, made out of a certain thickness, so they will go somewhere, and then they get welded in, and then the cage gets welded to these. Straight in the bin, yeah?
See you later.
The only raise you're ever going to get.
Oh, Emery, you've really let me down, you know.
What have I done now? Get on board with this, Luke.
With the instructions not being very good, or rather, there's no instructions at all on this roll cage. It's a little bit of a head scratch, really. Oh, there's the bit. Together to give us more room for welding around the
Weld the inside bits. So where the legs go down onto the floor and they butt up against here, basically to the side. Just pull it, bend it in together, weld the insides. And once you take it off, it sort of goes back into place.
Oh, I see.
Otherwise, you'd never sort of get the gun
Behind it.
behind it, yeah, to buzz it up.
Well, in typical Luke's Man Cave / Good Guys Garage style, we've underestimated how much time we needed, ish. Cages in, that's cool. Buying a second-hand carbon roof.
Pain in the arse.
Pain.
Not a second-hand carbon roof. Second-hand carbon roof, that's still attached to a roof.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a pain in the arse.
Debonding that roof is a task that we didn't allow that much time for. If it wasn't for that, it'd be done.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah.
As we have the cage in, by the time everyone sees this next time, which will probably be suspension and exhaust.
In the next exciting episode of Luke's Man Cave, this will do a skid.
Hopefully.
Thanks for watching this episode of Luke's Man Cave. Please smash that like and subscribe.